Have you ever wondered how the human brain, a 3-pound mass of tissue, manages to control all of our thoughts, emotions, and actions? The brain is the epicenter of command within our body, receiving a constant influx of information, processing it, and making decisions based on this data. This incredible organ is made up of millions of specialized cells known as neurons. These neurons tirelessly work to transmit electrical and chemical signals, creating a web of complex neural circuits. These circuits are what govern our thoughts, perceptions, and behaviors. Think of it as an intricate dance, where each neuron interacts with countless others, passing on signals like dancers twirling and passing on momentum in a grand ballet. Each movement, each signal, contributes to the grand performance that is our daily life. So the brain, with its millions of neurons, acts as the master puppeteer, pulling the strings of our thoughts, actions, and emotions. Now that we have an idea of the brain's structure, let's delve into its main functions. The human brain, an intricate network of millions of neurons, is like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating a symphony of activities and processes that define our existence. First up, we have sensory processing. The brain is like a highly sophisticated switchboard, receiving inputs from our senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. It processes these inputs, helping us understand and interact with our surrounding environment. So, when you smell the aroma of your favorite coffee, it's your brain that interprets this sensory information, triggering a cascade of reactions, perhaps making your mouth water in anticipation. Next, the brain controls movement. Every voluntary and involuntary movement, from the simple act of blinking to the complex dance steps, is orchestrated by the brain. It regulates muscular activities, ensuring precise and coordinated movements. So when you're running, it's your brain that's directing the symphony of muscles, allowing you to move swiftly and gracefully. Then there's memory and learning.
The brain is like a vast library, storing and retrieving information. It facilitates learning and memorization, allowing us to build on past experiences, acquire new skills, and make sense of our world. So when you recall your first bicycle ride, it's your brain that's retrieving that memory, bringing it back to life. The brain also plays a pivotal role in controlling emotions and feelings. Whether it's joy or sorrow, fear or anger, it's the brain that regulates these emotional responses, influencing our behavior and decision-making. So when you feel a surge of happiness, it's your brain that's behind this emotional high. Finally, the brain is the seat of self-regulation and higher thinking. It allows us to think, plan, make complex decisions, and develop higher mental abilities like creativity, analysis, and critical thinking. So, when you solve a challenging puzzle, it's your brain that's powering this intellectual endeavor. Whether it's the simple act of picking up a pencil or the complex processes of emotion regulation and critical thinking, it's the brain that's at the helm, ensuring everything runs smoothly.
But what happens when things in the brain don't go as planned? This isn't a hypothetical question, but a critical point of understanding. The brain, with its intricate network of neurons and intricate communication systems, thrives on harmony. It's like an orchestra, with every instrument playing its part to create a symphony of thoughts, emotions, and actions. However, when this harmony is disrupted, it's like an instrument playing out of tune. It can lead to a range of health and mental problems, from memory loss and difficulty concentrating, to mood disorders and even severe conditions like Alzheimer's disease. The brain is also deeply interconnected with the rest of our body, regulating everything from our heartbeat to our immune system. Any disruption can have far-reaching effects on our overall health. So maintaining a healthy brain is not just crucial for our physical well-being, but also for our mental and emotional health. To wrap it up, the human brain is the body's control center, a complex structure made up of millions of neurons. It governs sensory processing, movement, memory and learning, emotion regulation, and higher cognitive functions. Its health is essential, as any disruption can lead to both physical and mental health issues. So, next time you find yourself marveling at a beautiful piece of art or making a tough decision, remember, it's all thanks to that 3-pound mass of tissue inside your skull, the incredible human brain. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest and most exciting updates. Thanks for watching.